Okay, this is C1 EF, and let's see. Okay, quite good. Easily, you can clean it off. I just cleaned the side. In fact, very lightly. Okay, right now let me test the other side. F. Now F is also not too bad, but if C1 EF is easier, I'm very light right now, very light, applying very little pressure, and F is also not too bad, also apply very little pressure. I think we may have to test this for a longer period. Let me put it back. Somehow I didn't get the barnacles like the last time. Okay.